Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the construction light, fuel or charged battery, and any tripod parts. Place the light in your hand and approach a level spot near the objective. You want stability and visibility. Once close, open the radial action and select Deploy. This anchors the unit quickly. Make sure to keep fuel or battery in your belt or hotbar so you can insert it immediately. This prevents losing time and avoids having the light sit inactive when you need it most. Once the light is deployed, insert the fuel can or battery using the quick action. You'll see the power prompt immediately. Angle the lamp by using the interaction wheel to rotate and tilt. Aim slightly upward for broader illumination and reduce shadows. If you need a focused beam, lower and point at the work zone. Make sure your fuel can or spare battery is stowed safely. This prevents scavengers and keeps your source ready for quick swaps when the light dims. Finish by verifying the lamp stays on and watching the fuel or battery meter. Plan replacements a few minutes before depletion. Once stable, secure the surrounding area with barriers or concealment to reduce damage or theft. If the light won't ignite, first remove and reinsert the power source to receipt contacts. If that fails, check you use the correct fuel type or a charged battery. If problems persist, pick up and redeploy the unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.